A man who fought and coughed on police after being kicked off Bondi Beach has avoided jail. Clayton Eads has become an example of what police are now struggling with day after day.
4 officers and no room for the 1.5 metre rule. Clayton Eads resisting arrest after jumping a barrier and setting foot on Bondi Beach. But at the COVID hotspot, it's this moment that sparked major concern. Sitting down, the 21-year-old coughs. Today, after spending the night in the cells, he admitted directing it towards police and was allowed to leave on a strict community corrections order.
Am I sorry for walking on a free beach? No, I'm not. Off.
First thing this morning, while most obeyed the rules, some at Bondi were still in a bubble. A total of 98 infringement notices have been handed out since March 17.
We're averaging 3 tickets a day.
In the past 24 hours, there have been 15 $1,000 fines. Among them, a 65-year-old woman who returned on a flight from Indonesia, allegedly caught in Grafton, going shop to shop. The Bondi cougher told the court he needed to be near the water where his mother's ashes are scattered. But officials say everyone has their reasons, and no matter where you are, it's not easy to police. In Melbourne, a teenager pulled over and fined $1,600 while on a driving lesson with mum.
She said it was because of unnecessary travel. Oh yeah, which was just a bit crazy.
With beaches closed from Bondi to Dee Why and Manly, learning to live within the rules is a daily test.
And there will always be those who will never listen to the law.
Ruth Wynne-Williams, 9 News.
And with Bondi being a hotspot for the virus, a drive-through testing clinic opened there today. Those showing symptoms are now able to be tested from the safety of their own cars. It's the second testing clinic to be opened in the area. Health experts are now concerned about other areas, including Ryde, Macquarie Park, Waverley, Wallara, here we go, it's catching up with us, Dee Why and Manly, saying they need greater access to testing.